Hey guys, what's up? Before AMV Maker here, and today I'm going to be reacting again to WarLuxAMVs. I seem to have got a lot of positive feedback from my last reaction, so I decided to do another one. And yeah, let's begin. Okay. Sorry, I thought the sound was on. I was about to freak out.
The story of life on every page, this glorious reprise. I am alone again. A page with my pride, leaving you everything. As you walk away tonight, remember who you were following. I will not forget.
Okay, so the first 30 seconds are good. They're not bad. It's just, I don't know. Let me go back and look that again. Okay, first thing, he finally added his little, what's I'm looking for, a logo, I guess, or trademark, if you will, to his AMV, which I'm like, finally, because for the past few videos he has it. I'm just like, where is your trademark? Where is your trademark? I'm guilty of it too. I sometimes don't do that with my AMVs, but I'm starting to slowly get back into doing that again. Yeah, I'll be honest with you. The way that it kind of, in the first 2 seconds, yeah, that silence, it kind of got to me a bit. I was like, okay, is the sound not working? What's going on? Did they copyright strike him? Is my volume out? I was just freaking out for a second because I didn't know whether it was gonna work or not. Yeah, I'm weird. Sorry. It's the fact that he put so many scenes in 5 seconds for me. That's so cool. I wish I could do that. But the only way I could possibly do that is with, well, an AMV mix. Or if I use multiple episodes like he does in a particular AMV. Anyway, let's continue.
In the story of life on every page, this glorious reprise.
A giant mole monster? Interesting. That's very interesting.
I am alone again. A page with my pride, leaving you everything. As you walk away tonight, remember who you were following.
I'll be honest, when the singer says following, I feel as though maybe it should go with the guy turning. Like, hold on.
A page with my pride, leaving you everything. As you walk away tonight, remember who you were following.
See, that right there, that following part right there, I feel as though that should be synced up with the guy turning. But maybe that's just me. That's just my opinion. I don't know. Yeah.
I will not forget my first. Now that you're gone, I feel the sickness coursing my veins.
Okay, now I see why he didn't add that part. I mean, sync it rather. I see why, because the explosion in the next particular scene, hold on, it matched that particular drop, if you will. Hold on.
I will not forget my first. Now that you're gone.
Yeah, that part. Okay, I see why he didn't add that. It's kind of like a sync motion. I see why now. Wow, I am so silly.
Feel the sickness coursing my veins. It's beginning again all my life. This broken record phrase. I thought that I was ready to change. It's beginning again all my life. This broken record plays. Your curious eyes are searching everywhere for the man in disguise who put me up to this. But ooh, I wrote every line of every verse. I thought you deserved better in me. You brought out the worst. I will.
Again, perfect synchronization to that particular part. Hold on.
Your curious eyes are searching
Yeah, that is
everywhere
perfect
for
sync.
the man in disguise
That's perfect sync. That is perfect sync right there. I like that. Bro was turning Super Saiyan for a second. I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. Super Saiyan God. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Hold on.
I thought you deserved better in me. You brought out the worst. I will not forget my first. Now that you're gone, I feel the sickness coursing my veins. It's beginning again all my life. This broken record plays. I thought that I was ready to change. It's beginning again all my life. This broken record plays. It's beginning again, beginning again.
I want to say that's a griffin. I I I may be wrong here. Hold on. Cause I see a giant bird. That's what gave me griffin vibes, but I may be wrong. I may be wrong.
All my life, this broken record plays. It's beginning again, beginning
Nope. Yep, it's a griffin.
again.
The dude just did a whole Naruto run. Hold on. Bro just did a whole Naruto run. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. I love it.
Record plays. It's beginning again, beginning again, beginning again. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Dude, this villain. Hold on. If I can go back right, like, come on. And pause, of course. Hold on. Yeah, him. This dude. This big buff looking person thing, ogre, whatever the heck it is, demon? I'm guessing it's a demon. Anyway, he looks like something maybe Kirito would be able to take down. And maybe one fell sword swoop. Wow, can't speak today. Yeah. Big buff Cheeto puff looking head. I'm done. Wait a minute, did he just kill her? Holy freak! This big buff Cheeto head looking dude just killed the girl in the wheelchair. What? What? Hold on. Oh shoot. Typical anime. Person that everybody loves dies. Everyone goes ham. Seen it all before, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all, to be honest. That a parachute? What the okay. Oh, I'm so confused. I really need to watch this anime.
That you're gone, I feel the sickness coursing my veins. It's beginning again all my life. This broken record plays.
Yes, some standings.
No, okay. So pretty much this AMV, if I had to scale this AMV on a 1 to 10, what would I give it? Probably an 11. I'll give it an 11. Mainly because he managed to capture 12 episodes into one AMV in a reasonable amount of, well, how can I put this? Yeah, he just pretty much managed to do episodes 1 through 12 in a reasonable amount of I have no idea how long that freaking AMV was. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I mean, it was good. It was very good though. Like the editing was perfect. Synchronization was perfect. Song selection, excellent. Anime selection, badass. Yeah, awesome job. Very, very awesome job. Um, yeah, that's all I got. I do, however, want to kind of show you guys a sneak peek of the next AMV I'm working on, but I kind of don't want to have spoilers. So yeah, I'll just keep it to that. I did say I was gonna react to another content creator because they asked me to, in my next reaction video. Um, I think I'll do that. I think I don't know. Yeah. I don't know yet. I'll probably do it in a separate video because I'm like, I don't know. I'm just not in it today. Any which way. Yeah. AMV perfect. Please go subscribe to WarLuxAMVs. I'll again post a link to his channel and this AMV in the comment section and in the description box below of this video. Yeah. I think that's about it. Yeah. New AMV coming out within the next few minutes. Once this is uploaded, I'll upload my next AMV. And yeah, hopefully you guys will enjoy that. Hopefully you guys enjoy Swift Reaction. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.